from Surrey and I'm a model. I hope I can turn every single girl's head in there. I hope they do see what I see in the mirror. Yo, that'd be better than your man already, then you're coming home with me, baby.
Adrian from Southampton. My best feature going in there is currently probably my tan, my teeth aren't too bad, and my bite is strong.
Cute.
Thanks, George. And we're often going on the next couple of days.
Yeah, this is an exciting time, like so many new faces, different personalities, and I'm excited just to see what they bounce off. Like, just 6 of them like that, it's just good.
Something makes going off.
I don't know. So when we all walk out, who are you like? I feel like I get to know them, or like
It's getting too much for us.
I can't go all these boys.
I think the position that I'm in right now is obviously a really good position for me. Like
Ollie, at least that's what he wrote in the note he asked me to pass on to Shauna.
Whereabouts your best with you? Where the white room was?
I used to work in the
Did you? No way. Hey, mad how you live so close, you know. Man, it's only you do. What are we for?
just over 2 years now.
Enjoy it?
Yeah, it's really good.
What do you like about it?
your vibe. I think you look good, obviously.
That's nice.
Yeah, just like your vibe. And I like how straightforward you were.
Castle more. I'm gonna say open-minded because it would be foolish to say closed-minded. I kind of just
jaw just hit the fly, and Molly, she's just like fire.
I'm medium, you know? I'm medium. I want you to get to that hot, extra hot. Then, shall I tell you why I have medium now? Everyone that has a hot, they're
that is exactly
do you know what I mean?
You just burn it.
Let's have a good night. It's just like, guys, stay focused, just get as much liquid into my mouth as possible, and let's just get this done.
Get that cherry, get that cherry.
Guys, you need more liquid! More liquid!
There's absolutely no denying that.
When I think about it, I don't even know what was in my mouth.
Do you know what it is? I'm not going to lie. Yes, I was at the end, but hey, it still was pretty tasty.
I suspect and say June.
One more! Go!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's a yogurt!
I was just so excited. I was like,
Personally, I think we did that efficiently.
Thirsty bitches. My mum likes them anyway.
I've ruined my dress.
The greatest party I've ever seen. There's no music and the cocktails are 90% saliva. Still, the lads seem to be enjoying the company.
Boys, mate, I'm not even joking. Every time I look at you, don't think my head's gonna turn. However, I disagree. However, there is a however. She's funny as well, and she's Scottish. And throwing herself about what she's probably say I'm happy with Shanice, so yeah, I'm just gonna see what happens here really. I feel like I think for the rest of us, it could be open. But getting ahead in 4 days, like, don't you know, get relevant, do you know what I mean? Now, no one else is going about from Gemma. I think this is your wife.
Biggie.
Yeah, Biggie.
As soon as I see him out, I'm like, oh. I'm in a very, very so back off, girls.
This is the thing with me and Luke T, because I know as soon as they came in, and I was obviously, and I just wasn't interested. And that's how I know. That just goes to show that my feelings are actually genuine, and I do like him. Be true to myself, and if I feel like my head is with Luke T, and I feel like, you know, I wouldn't want to risk that going wrong, then that's where I'm at, and I would hold my head up high even if he did bring back another girl, because I stay true to myself and my feelings are genuine.
This
Let's repeat this, girls. Yeah. We are strong. We are strong. We are beautiful.
Yeah, of course. So what is it about them three that kind of...
I don't know. I think because like, you seem quite into each other.
Do you think she's going to have her head turned?
Would you be bothered?
Right in points,
Of course.
The answers, of course, are yes, and I'll get back to you. Anywho, Shauna's having a quick chin-wag with Josh.
But obviously, where's your head at, like, truthfully, like... Because from what I get, you and Callum, obviously, are quite strong.
Do really well, and then there's little things like so today.
Yeah.
Like when all the boys left and left their girl something.
But you think that's a sign?
Yeah. But then other girls are like, but you know, Callum, and I'm like, how many...
I don't know. Well, mine's not to wander.
How are you? All right.
Yeah, you. Finding it good.
Yeah.
Settling well. I was surprised that when I used to go in. At the talent.
At the talent.
Yeah.
At the talent.
At the talent.
But I just don't really trust him. I have a feeling in his next move on another girl. Right this second.
I'm sorry, girls. Sorry, don't trust it.
Where would you like to
Let's go. Like I said, I'm happy with this view, but we can go over here.
He's standing there with a chat now. I'm happy with this view, but we'll go.
Oh my god, you know, I'm so glad.
It sounds so cheesy as well. I'm so sorry, but like, I'm literally laying it on thick now.
I am missing Naz, but my normal type is a cheeky chappy, and George definitely fits that bill. It's like a devil on your shoulder, and you kind of feel like, oh, is like that side of me going to come out when I'm a couple of days.
I had a peek in George's bag. There was some...
Oh, guys. And just someone who I can just get along with. Like, there's no effort, there's no pressure. Like, someone I can just be myself with. Like, I think that makes a relationship. Only just came, like, a few hours ago. The challenge always breaks the ice as well.
It's a good icebreaker, sticking my tongue down your throat, isn't it?
Get over that.
I feel like as if...
What are we chatting about?
Just what there?
Politics.
Lots of politics. Black in my ears. No, I think we're saying about... Like, he's settled on Paige kind of thing. He said, like, he might sleep on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, on the bed, yeah.
Oh, that's so true.
First night's been a whirlwind. It just goes to show you, mate, everything happens for a reason. After shave before bed.
If you hear these writers, right? You've got head over heels for this girl. Hundo.
She will get pissed off.
It's just like something...
Morning, everyone. That is a good cup of tea.
Be yourself. Now, which one of them said your name? Was it Molly, Italia? That kid's sweet.
Oh my days.
None of them is my type. None of them have said that they fancy me, so I'm just thinking I'll just swing my head around.
Like, I think like you...
They work for animal charities and shit.
And then natural beauty, so like...
Stunning, absolutely. I bet there's not 1 ounce of... It's just not... That's not where our head's at. Born yesterday.
Shauna's had another premonition where Callum was sat on a beanbag flirting with the same girl. Get a grip of yourself, Shauna. They're flirting on a sofa.
It's alright.
Great movement, if you know what I mean. Oh, shit, she's going to be annoyed in a minute.
If I put them together, they're like a
Hey, check the size of that M1. Oh, so like fingers.
Alright, no, they're not. Which one?
I've got a bad set of toes with.
It's like really important to me. I don't want to feel awkward or uncomfortable or shy.
Here's a sentence I never thought I'd say a couple of weeks ago. 3 girls are cracking onto Naz. Sometimes you don't need a punchline.
What's happening with like you and Damie? How's that?
Yes, talk to us.
Shall I tell you what? To be honest, not my type, it's not something that I've gone for before. We have gone through a lot of high emotion, high stake situations with this actually.
So are you open?
Oh, yeah, but like, this is the thing, like, so for me, what the experience has taught me so far is literally just to go with it, like, really don't be closed-minded.
So what's your type of paper then?
Oh, good.
Physically, I'd say short-tanned, nice eyes, pretty smart.
Okay.
But then, like, personality goes a long, long way with me.
So maybe like a top Lancaster remote in row and 2 ways.
Both fillers
will complete a series of saucy challenges. The first villa to complete each challenge wins a point.
The villa that receives the
Opportunities.
You are bastard, and I'm having her tight.
No, I'll be honest, no.
Yeah, they're not bad.
Thank you.
They're white.
It's because I brush them.
Okay, someone with nice teeth.